Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on Nextdoor. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Nextdoor application on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, use your credentials, including your email address and your password to log in. After you have been logged into your account, if you wish to edit your profile, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. This will now open up your profile, from which, in order to edit it, tap on the settings option at the bottom left. Now from the settings page, tap on account settings and you will be shown your account and your profile details. Now you will be allowed to change your account details. Enter the first and the last name within the first and last name box. And if you wish to change your email address, you can also do this by entering a new email address within the email address box. Now underneath the email address option, you also have the option to change your password. You can make any changes to your password by clicking on the Change Password button. Underneath the password option, you will find your phone number as well. You can tap on the Add Phone Number option if you don't already have your phone number added onto your account. If you already have one, you will find the Edit or the Change Phone Number option. Now within the 2FA preference, you will need to choose from either your email address or your phone SMS if you have added your phone onto your account. You can also choose your gender from the Gender menu, and you also have the option to choose your pronouns. You can choose to display your pronouns on your profile by checking on the Display on Profile box. Now within the language section, you can click on the drop-down menu and choose from the various different languages that are available. Finally, click on the Save button, and all of the changes that you made onto your profile will be saved after you enter your account password. So go ahead and type in your current password for your account and then tap on the Continue button, and all of your changes will be saved right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your profile on the Nextdoor application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.